YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for y'all today, man. Y'all read the title and saw the thumbnail. You know what it is. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the highly anticipated and highly sought after Air Jordan 1 in the Royal Toe colorway. But before we get into the video, man, if you guys are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. We are at 462 subscribers. The goal is to hit 500 by May 15th, which is this Friday, so it's getting really close. We want to hit 500 by May 15th in order to have a sneaker giveaway, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, share it, tell your friends, and smash that like button. Also, if you're feeling generous, you could donate to the Cash App, a Sneakerhead. Now, let's get into the video. You guys know why you were here. So first of all, let's just start with the box. We got a regular Jordan 1 black Nike box with the red Nike on the top. Nothing special to see here. Let's read the label. We have a Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and the official color is black, white, and game royal, and this is a size 9. It is not a personal pair. It's a size 9. As you guys know, I'm a size 12, and if you watch my video on the release date of these, I let you guys know that I would not be going after them because I wasn't really too sure about how to feel about them. I didn't think that it's a sneaker that I would wear, and I didn't know how the resale was going to do. And the resale is doing okay right now, but it's still going to be more of a long hold shoe. So now, without further ado, let's just get into it right here. I already took one of the shoes out of the box, and here it is. It is the Jordan 1 Royal Toe, as a lot of people are calling it. Really dope, in a size 9. Once again, the reason why it's size 9, had a good friend of mine who was going after him. He got, I think, 2 or 3 pairs of them, and he said he'll let me hold them for a review, so we will not be getting the offer because I'm keeping these DS. He's doing the hold to sell them later. I would put his IG in here, but I don't want you guys bugging him since he's trying to hold them for when the prices do go up down the line. But these are a size 9. Now, let's just look at them. Now, right away, right off the bat, part of the main reason why I was upset about these shoes looking at pictures, not upset, but a little confused about them looking at pictures, definitely comes through once it is in person, and that is that white Jumpman right there. Now, the Jumpman is pressed on, it's not patched on, but there's just something about this Jumpman being a white Jumpman that throws me off. I don't know, it doesn't go with the rest of the shoe. Maybe I would have liked it if they kept the whole thing blacked out, or if they made it a blue Jumpman. I'm not 100% sure. But also, we do kind of have that black toe color blocking. It's not fully black toe, obviously, because of the heel counter, but it still is a pretty good looking shoe, and it is a Jordan 1, so we do know the prices of them are going to go up. Now, just like with every other Jordan 1 that we are getting this year in 2020, on the tongue we have the leather Nike Air, which I am personally a fan of. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I am a fan of the leather tag on the tongue. I think it adds a little bit more of a premium feel to the shoe. I know it's not OG how they came out in the original, but I don't really care. Me personally, I like how this tongue is coming out with these on there. And obviously, you still got your nylon tongue for the full length of the tongue. Comes with black laces in it, and attached you have royal blue laces, which is a good touch. I do like how they have royal blue laces in here to match the blue. You could have been white laces, but I feel like adding an extra pair of white laces, at least for me and most sneakerheads, is almost a waste, because by now, as a sneakerhead, if you've built up any type of collection, you have a billion pairs of white laces. So it's cool to get some different color laces. Blue laces, the royal blue laces to match this are really dope. So now what I want to get into, which is a little, I don't know why I'm surprised by it, but I do want to get into the leather quality of it. And the leather quality of this sneaker is okay. It's not great. It's just regular Jordan 1 leather like you get on any other Jordan 1. And I don't know why I expected more. Maybe because, I mean, the Royal is a, I guess, OG colorway, and maybe I expected for them to do something a little more with the leather. And I don't know, it was a shoe that was hyped up and a lot of people were talking about it. So maybe, I don't know what it was. I just expected the leather to be a little bit better, but the leather on these is the exact same leather as you have on these, the court purples that came out before. Obviously, my size, so they're going to look different. Different size sneakers, so it is what it is. But it's the exact same leather that you get on the court purples. But one thing that I do want to check the difference of is right here, and Yeah, it's about the same. So one thing that was interesting on the court purples that they did, instead of the little collar around the ankle being smooth like it is on most Jordans, it has that tumbled press on right there, and then this also has a light pressed on tumble, just like it does on the toe box here. Now, this is a really dope blue. Don't get me wrong. I am trying to get more sneakers with this type of blue in my collection, but this sneaker for me just wasn't it. Now, obviously, this sneaker is one that sold out. It is going on, last time I checked, on Godap for around $280, so it is pretty high above, about $100 above retail, but you got to keep in mind, as a seller, if you're selling something on Godap for $280, I think you're probably making only, what, $250, maybe. But all in all, guys, really, really dope sneaker. Like I said, you're not going to get an offer. A, it's not my size. B, it's not mine. Trying to keep it DS for my boy. But really nice to have in hand. Happy to have it. Let me know down below what you guys think of this sneaker. Let me know down below what you think of this sneaker in the comments. Did you pick them up? Did you not? Did you catch a L? Do you need a pair? Particularly, do you need a size 9? Cough, cough. I could possibly connect you with the man who owns these, but really excited. Once again, let's just look at the outsole. Royal blue outsole, nothing different there. Regular Jordan 1 outsole. And there it is, guys. Your Jordan 1 royal toe, black toe color blocking, weird white Jumpman. Don't know why, not Jumpman. Weird white Wings logo.
Wings logo. Wings logo.
It's about damn time.
Yeah, so that is it for this video, man. Just real quick review. Wanted to look at these shoes. Wanted to get them in hand. Like I said, I passed on them, and I didn't know if I would regret passing on them or not. And after having them in hand, it's not a sneaker that I regret passing on. Don't think I would have wore it that much. But that is it for this one. Let me know what you guys think of this sneaker down below in the comments. Once again, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are trying to hit 500 by this Friday in order to have a giveaway. Hopefully we can get there. We've been doing pretty good this year. Also, smash that like button. It helps with the algorithms. As always, man, I am the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Make sure to follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information, like I posted about these earlier this morning. You get a lot of information there first. But that is it for this video, man. And do not forget, it's all about the sneakers.